Peter. I'm back to just to share a pretty important part of what we package up for you. We call it the one-stop shop. One-stop shop really is something that no one does. When people sell decking, they sell how many lineal meters do you want, and they don't really care. We know what you need to do to make the job easier. So Deck-Max has gone through, I've gone through 18 years of development to come up with, okay, when the product's delivered to site, being the decking, you're going to need extras. You're going to need things that you don't want to send your chippy down to the shop or whoever's working on the job and say, oh, I forgot this or I forgot that. So our desire is to give you a full package. So you've got the decking? Yes, you do. You're going to have the clips, all the clips and the screws. So that's a start. So that's a second part of the package. The additional parts of the package are, we're going to include Ultraset, Bostik Ultraset. It's a polyurethane. It's actually an acoustic membrane. When you lay it up on the joist, you'll actually see when the board's put down, it cures like a rubber. So the board will never get that rattle and squeak. We also include, for the first board, you can't use a clip. So we actually include what we call a wood plug kit. We include the tool called a counterbore tool to prepare the perfect hole. We then give you the perfect screw in the bottom and the perfect plug for the top. That gives you that seamless finish that you can sand the surface completely and you're not hitting nails or screw heads as you go. There's a few other things that we include, but I think it's just important to offer you the opportunity. You can choose to not buy any of those components, but normally what we would do for you is to include them all. You can choose item by item as we send it to you. No, I don't want that, or that's okay to proceed with. But at least if you go the full package, you're going to have everything you need for it, and it makes the job so much better. Go to our accessories on the website. It's going to include decking clamps, all this stuff. Any questions, give us a buzz. My name's Peter. Call me directly on our 1300 number, or go to the website, contact us, form, or go to Quick Quote. Look forward to talking to you and hearing from you. Thank you.